It's all about cars. Introduction. So viewers, once again I'm back with another video based on the Citroen C3. The car is just revealed, not yet launched. The car will be launched in the Indian market in 2022. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. So let's go ahead with today's video. Citroen C3. About the car. The Made for India Citroen C3 has been revealed in full, providing the Indian market a glimpse of the newest SUV flavored small car on the block. Citroen has confirmed the C3, the first of three models to emerge from the brand's C3 Cubed program, will be launched in the first half of 2022. Interestingly, Citroen has steered clear of referring to the C3 as a compact SUV. Instead of choosing to say it's a hatchback with SUV cues, in India it will reveal both the hatchbacks as well as some of the more affordable compact SUVs such as the Renault Kaiga and Nissan Magnite. Picture about the car. The iconic Citroen double chevron takes pride of place on the nose, with the chrome extensions flowing into the thin X-shaped LED daytime running lights. The headlight cluster themselves are positioned below the LED DRLs, integrated into the front bumper. There's a large radiator grille with a Fox skid plate, adding some muscle to the C3's front end. A total of 4 color options, white, grey, silver and orange, will be on offer in India, along with 2 roof color options, grey and orange. A total of 78 accessories have been designed for the Citroen C3 to expand customization options. The Citroen C3 is based on the PSA Group's Common Modular Platform CMP, which is already co-forms basis for several Peugeot models on sale abroad. This platform is also ready for electrification, confirmed Citroen during the unveil. Picture about the car. The Citroen C3 measures in at 3.98 meters in length and has a 2.54 meter wheelbase. The Citroen C3, which Citroen says it will be an attractive and affordable offering targeted at younger first-time vehicle buyers, has 180 mm of ground clearance, with the company saying it has worked on the approach and departure angles as well as the overhangs of the C3 to ensure it remains compact and easy to drive. Citroen says the C3's turning circle is rated at 10 meters and the boot space is rated at 315 liters. Picture. With the focus on comfort and on providing maximum interior space, Citroen says the C3 will have the most amount of rear seat space of any compact SUV on sale in the country, with 653 mm of legroom. Taking center stage on the C3's dashboard is a freestanding 10-inch touchscreen infotainment system and Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity, as well as smartphone mirroring. There's also a smartphone holder integrated into the center console, and there will be different interior trim options to choose from. Citroen has refrained from sharing specifications about the powertrain at present, but the Citroen C3 is expected to come with a 1.2-liter 3-cylinder turbo petrol engine, putting out around 110 HP and 205 Nm of torque. A non-turbocharged version of this engine could be on offer in the entry-level versions of the SUV. Gearbox options are likely to include a 6-speed manual and 6-speed torque converter automatic. A diesel engine is highly unlikely to be offered with the C3. Citroen will also introduce the C3 in Brazil, Argentina, Chile, Colombia, Uruguay, Peru, and Ecuador. Thank you. So viewers, hope you like this video and the car. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. So see you in the next video.